Rain or Shine beats Magnolia 119-105. Our player of the game is Leonard Santillan. We're also joined by Coach Yeng Guiao of Rain or Shine. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach, I'll start with you. Lahat ng pinasok mong player, Coach, made at least one 3-point shot. If you could just share with us yung mga nabanggit or nasabi mo sa kanila, pinagnilay-nilayan nila the past 10 days, lalo na number 1 kayo sa opensa pero ang baba ng percentage sa labas.
Best, challenge talaga no, to face Magnolia. Alam naman namin na wala pa silang talo. So we're just hoping na sobrang ganda nila laro nila. Baka isang araw mamalasin sila. Matapat sana dun sa araw na kalaban namin. Mabuti na lang medyo ganun nga. Medyo minala sila. Tapos maganda yung shooting namin, as you said. No, we were making our 3-point shots. And we were also able to play at our own pace. No? Gusto namin yung pace namin kanina. I think we were able to control the transition game. No? Mas marami kaming fast break points. Mas mabilis yung pace ng laro. Tapos maganda yung ball movement namin. We had 29 assists. Tsaka nagtulong-tulong lang, no? Sabi mo nga, with our rotation, I think everybody was able to score and contribute offensively, but much more so defensively because kaya nanalo yung Magnolia, balanse yung laro nila, no? Ganda ng depensa nila, ganda opensa nila, pero kanina medyo na babaan namin yung efficiency nila. No? So both offense namin, defense namin gumana. At may araw din talaga. No? Sobrang ganda na ng nilalaro nila. May araw na mamalasin din. Mabuti na lang natapat sa amin.
Thank you, Coach. Santi, so far this conference na ma-average ka ng 18.6 points, shooting 47.8%. Paano mo pinaghandaan tong conference na to, knowing all Filipino, it's an opportunity for you as a big man to thrive and strive?
Actually, before practice talaga, nag-extra po talaga ako. And pinagtrabahohan ko po yung shooting ko. Tapos, sa practice naman, nandun naman lagi yung intensity namin lagi. Kasi para masanay kami sa laro. Kaya yung offensive rebound, malaking bagay talaga sa amin.